In recent years, the world has witnessed the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, from sedans to SUVs, and now the electric truck is making its mark. By 2025, electric trucks will be revolutionizing the hauling industry, offering cleaner, greener, and more efficient solutions for transporting goods. With advancements in battery technology, powerful electric motors, and the drive for sustainability, these trucks will be better suited for both commercial and personal use. In this video, we will explore how electric trucks are changing the future of hauling, their benefits, the top models of 2025, and how they fit into the larger movement toward eco-friendly transportation. An electric truck is powered entirely or primarily by electricity stored in a battery pack, unlike traditional trucks that run on gasoline or diesel. These trucks use electric motors instead of internal combustion engines to drive the wheels. The key differences between electric trucks and conventional trucks include zero emissions. Electric trucks produce no tailpipe emissions, significantly reducing their environmental impact compared to diesel-powered trucks. Quiet operation. Without the noise of a traditional engine, electric trucks are much quieter, improving quality of life in urban and residential areas. Lower operating costs. With fewer moving parts, electric trucks require less maintenance and are cheaper to fuel. Electric trucks offer a greener, more sustainable alternative to traditional trucks, changing the way we think about hauling goods in the future. When it comes to performance, electric trucks are proving to be a formidable competitor to their gasoline and diesel counterparts. These trucks are equipped with powerful electric motors. Electric motors provide instant torque, which means electric trucks can accelerate quickly and handle heavy loads with ease. Longer range. Modern electric trucks can achieve ranges of 200, 500 miles on a single charge, depending on the battery and driving conditions.